Hi folks, Drain Punch Carl here. Today I'm going to show you why Drain Punch and P-Free are the only products you need. I'm going to demonstrate with a jar that has hair and soap in it. A typical clog that everybody deals with. Number one, Drain Punch pours through standing water. So I'm going to cover the hair and the soap with water and I'm going to pour it in. Number two is that Drain Punch has no foul odor. It doesn't put off any smell. The third reason that people like Drain Punch is that it doesn't get hot. Some products get hot and will melt gaskets and pipes. And the fourth reason people like Drain Punch is that it's harmless to pipes. It will not harm any metal or plastic pipes. So you can see that Drain Punch will go down through the hair and the soap. We're not doing any work. This is the easy way to get rid of clogs. And as it goes down through the hair and the soap, it's going to lift it up. And in just a few minutes it'll lift it up, and then over time what Drain Punch does is it totally emulsifies or liquefies any organic matter. Hair, food, fat, grease, algae and condensate lines and water fountains. Anywhere that you're dealing with a clog that's organic, something like hair, soap or food, this is what Drain Punch is going to do to it. There's no foul odor, it doesn't get hot, and it's harmless to pipes. Drain Punch is also a great tool for preventive maintenance for your sinks, tubs, water fountains, ice machine drains, and condensate lines. We've only been about 15 minutes and it's turning it to a liquid. So no matter where that clog is in your pipe, whether it's close by in the trap or 50 feet away, Drain Punch is going to get to it and turn it to liquid. Then it's gone. I'm going to demonstrate to you why P-Free is the tool that you need. With P-Free, you'll never have to pull a clogged urinal again. It's also great for cleaning out stained toilets. Your clogged urinal issues are mainly calcium and salt buildup. This is coral, which is pure calcium. I'm going to put some in a jar, and then I'm going to cover it with water, because if you've got a clogged urinal, you know there's a whole bunch of liquid in there that's stinky and nasty and everything like that. You just pour the P-Free in, and then usually between 30 and 60 minutes, that urinal is free and clear, and all you do is flush it. P-Free is great for preventive maintenance to keep the calcium buildup away, keep the smell away, and keep the stains gone. It's also great for apartment managers looking to keep their toilets sparkling clean on the turns. No chisels, no pulling that urinal off the wall. Just let the P-Free do its thing. Thank you for your time. Try some P-Free or Drain Punch today off the website, or one of our many local stores that has it on the shelf.